How's it going, everybody? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I want to show you guys one of our awesome three-piece kits that we offer here at Big Kid Blocks, and that is the Concave kit. So this is fantastic for getting those areas that are concave. And so this three-piece kit offers 3 different blocks with it. So first you have the 16-inch long tube. This is fantastic for cell panels or tops of fenders that have a radius to it. This just works phenomenal for being able to roll up into the radius panels that you're working on. And then we do have the 9-inch block here. We do offer Hookit on all of our block kits, and so we wanted to show you guys this still allows for that 2 3/4 sandpaper to be wrapped around. Still gives you plenty of room to be able to sand and roll up into those panels. And then last we have the 6-inch one of the kit. This is fantastic. Same thing, get your sandpaper on there. This is going to be a little bit more detailed areas. So head over to bkblocks.com and get your guys the Concave kit. You're going to love it.